So let us begin with the prose. Prose 7, the invention of Weiterwolf. Who are the oldest people you know? What are the oldest things you have in your house, in your city, town or village? How old are they? Have you ever wished that you were older? Have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? Who is the oldest person in your house? Obviously, your grandparents. And what is the oldest thing in your house? You can say the furniture must be old, or some of the books, or some of the clothes, or some of the antiques in the house are the old objects in your house. What is old in your city? You can say the monuments you have, the visiting places you have. It's just like in Ujjain we have Kalida Palace, we have this Kothi. Okay, so these are the old things in places in the village. How old are they? They must be hundreds of years old. Okay, so have you ever wished that you were older? Yes, at this age you must be thinking कि काश हम बड़े होते तो हमको फ्रीडम होती ये सब करने की. So है ना? And have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? और अभी ये भी सोचते होगे कि चलो जल्दी जल्दी बड़े हो जाते हैं हम. And we can do things of our own. We need not to take permission of anyone. We will be free to take our decisions. Okay? So, Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White, which makes people younger. Okay? Wonka White makes people younger. But Wonka White is too strong. So, some people disappear because their age becomes minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, which means he has got to wait 87 years before he can come back. So, Mr. Willy Wonka invented one tonic which was named as Wonka White. और वो क्या करता था? लोगों को यंग बनाता था. ओके, एज कम करता था. और वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग टॉनिक था. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन एवर समवन यूज्ड टू टेक इवन द ड्रॉप्स ऑफ दैट टॉनिक वोंका वाइटे, द पीपल यूज्ड टू डिसअपियर. वो माइनस में उनकी एज चली जाती थी. मतलब उनको वापस से आने में ऑन अर्थ इट विल टेक 86 years. 86 I guess it's mentioned. 87 years. That means that person has to wait 87 years to come back again to the present time. Okay, so this was the first, the older invention which Willy Wonka made. Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. First, Mr. Wonka said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. Rolled up my sleeves means जब हम काम करने के लिए start करते तो हम अपने sleeves up करते हैं ना. That is, I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. Started working, began to work. Once again I squeezed my brain, searching for the new recipe. I had to create age to make people old, older, oldest. So, what Mr. Wonka was thinking? He need to think about, he need to plan about, he need to invent a tonic, so something new recipe wherein he can make people older. Means he can increase the age of the person. I cried, for now the ideas were beginning to come. What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? So, what he was thinking, the ideas all of a sudden started flashing in his mind. Okay, and he started thinking of the oldest things, living things on the earth, जो बहुत पुरानी चीजें हैं, जो पुरानी living things हैं earth पे, उनके बारे में he started thinking. A tree, Charlie said, Right you are Charlie. Charlie एक character है, उसके assistant you can say. He suggested a tree. Right you are Charlie, but what kind of a tree? Not the Douglas fir. Douglas fir, name of the tree. You in the site you can see the images of the trees and the name of the trees which has been mentioned in this paragraph. Okay, so see, not the Douglas fir, not the oak, not the cedar. No, my boy. It is a tree called bristlecone pine that grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. So what Wonka was thinking, that yes, trees are the living beings which lives for longer time. So he started thinking of the names of the trees कि कौन कौन से ऐसे trees हैं जो लंबे समय के लिए survive करते हैं. So he dropped the idea of Douglas fir tree के बारे में सोचा. He dropped that idea. Oak was not that of that age, neither cedar. So all of a sudden he thought of a bristlecone pine tree जो कि बहुत सालों तक रहता है, and it used to grow on the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. You can find bristlecone pines on Wheeler Peak today that are over 4,000 years old. So bristlecone pines कहाँ मिलते हैं? Wheeler Peak पे, जो कि which is 4,000 years old. उतनी उसकी एज होगी ट्री की. This is fact, Charlie. Ask any dendrochronologist. You need to search the meaning of dendrochronologist you like and look that word up in the dictionary when you get home. Will you please? So that started me off. I jumped into the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world collecting special items from the oldest living things. So what Charlie did? He went into the great glass elevator. You can say that great glass elevator is a time machine, you can say. Okay, so he went in through the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world to collect all these special items which were living for a long time. So down here you can see the list of the things. See, the pine of sap from a 4,000-year-old bristlecone pine. The toe-nail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Gregovich. An egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. The tail of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. The whiskers of 36-year-old cat called Crumpets. An old flea which had lived in Crumpets for 36 years. The tail of a 207-year-old giant rat from the Tibet. The black teeth of a 97-year-old Grimlican living in a cave on Mountain Popocatépetl. The knuckle bones of 700-year-old Catalu from Peru. So these are the things. This is the list of items which Charlie collected from all over the world using great glass elevator, which was a time machine. So you need to go through this list once again by your own. Okay.